Suguta Primary, where I came to vote, and I've been going around the constituency, and I want to report that in Samburu West constituency, voting started on time, and we've not had major incidences, just some few places slow, the Kim's kit, but because also of the elderly people trying to get their fingerprints and also the assisted voters. But generally, I believe everything has been running smoothly so far. The voter turnout, people have really tried to come out to vote and to exercise their democratic right to elect their leaders for the next 5 years. And so for me, I am not seeing any major hindrance or problem here in Samburu West constituency.
Yes, probably, maybe.
So my expectation is that we'll continue to vote peacefully until 6 p.m. and that voting will also go on peacefully, and that Samburu West constituents will be able to elect their leaders that they would like them to serve them for the next 5 years, from presidential all the way to MCA.